Hello everyone, I am Divya Sharma, trainee of Institute of Language Teaching English Medium B.Ed College, Rajkot. In this video, I will say how to write an application for the post of teacher. First of all, writing an application for a job of school teacher is always a tricky thing because you have to define yourself in writing such that you will stand out in presentation of your skills against your other applicants. But before that, you need to first understand whether you have the right qualification and skills required to perform the duties related to that particular job. So, application is a written or a spoken request or appeal for employment, admission, help, or etc. And your application should be creative and it should attract the applicant. The teacher application letter is used as a cover letter when applying for a teaching position. A cover letter is also known as a covering letter, motivational letter, or a letter of motivation. It is a letter of introduction attached to or accompanying another document such as resume or curriculum vitae. It is a one-page document. It may be addressed to a particular individual of a school or to the district school board. The letter is often sent with copies of your teaching certificates and sealed copy of your official transcript. Generally, the cover letter is in the white color and we have to write the application into a white A4 size paper which will attract the applicants and it will look more beautiful. Here is the format of application letter. Everything is in the left align. It should start with the sender's address, means your address. Date, today's date. Receiver's address means to whom you are going to send the application. Subject line means your subject on which topic you are writing the application. Dear sir or madam. Because we don't know who is the receiver, it can be either sir or madam. Body of the letter means what the letter includes. Part 1, introduction and reference, where you saw the advertisement. You might have seen the advertisement in the newspaper too, or somebody might have told you that there is a vacancy for the specific post of a particular teacher into the school. You need to mention that so that the applicant would be clear that where you have seen the advertisement. Part 2 of the body of the letter, which includes your skills and ability to fit for the job. But before writing this application, you should know that whether you are applicable for the particular job which has been asked in the advertisement. Part 3, request a callback or an interview. You need to just give a request into the written format that you should be called for an interview with your all the original certificates. Your sincerely sender's signature means your signature, your name and designation on which post you are right now. Enclosure, which includes your resume or your original certificates. Here is the cutting of an advertisement from the newspaper of Tapasvi School for the vacancy of the teachers, required teachers in the school who should have the passion, commitment, dedication and sense of humor. A person should always be passionate about their work the same way a person who is very good with the cooking skills, he should be very passionate about it, and there should be proper commitment and dedication, and sense of humor is must in the teaching field, because if you keep on dealing with the serious things then the students might get bored. Sense of humor means the ability to enjoy the funniness or the ability to see the funny side of a situation instead of always being serious. There should be little fun with the kids or to make them smile or to laugh so that the students won't sleep into the class, because if the funniness will be there they would remain always active. So here the section is for standard 1 to standard 10th English medium and Gujarati medium, and the qualification of the person should be PTC, MSc, MCom, MA and B.Ed. The person should be qualified with all these degrees. Then only the person should apply into the Tapasvi school if they wish. And the subjects which the teacher will deal with are English, maths and science. So if the person is very great with the English skills, or the person should be very fluent with the English, or the person must be very good with the maths, all the mathematical knowledge should be very good, or the person is very good with the science, then only the person should apply into the Tapasvi school. Meet personally with your handwritten resume and current passport size photographs. So here they have mentioned a very good point, like they have to meet personally and with the handwritten resume. Generally in the advertisement they always say if they want to apply with the handwritten resume. It is the main reason, because if the person's writing are good, then in the on paper it would be very good, and even on the board the person's writing should be good. So if the writing in the paper are good, then then the applicant would be sure that the person will be able to write properly on the blackboard or not. The writings should be legible, and there should be neat and clean board. Then only it will be helpful for the students to understand the concept which the teacher is writing on the board. So current passport size photographs, the small ones. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. These are the timings in which the applicant must go to the school to give their application letter in the handwritten form. So here the address has been given. Even freshers can also apply as a trainee teacher. Freshers means the person who have recently completed their B.Ed or M.Com or M.A. They can even try for this job. So here we have an example of application letter of this person. The person's name is Riddhi Jain. Then your address means Riddhi's address, and she is writing it on 28th of August 2020. It means she might have seen the advertisement on 26th or 27th of August 2020 into the newspaper. To address means Tapasvi School's address. So if you are seeing the advertisement on a particular date, then it is good to write within 2 or 3 days the application letter, because if you are writing it after a week or a month, then there are chances that the vacancy of the teacher might have been filled with the other person, even though you are perfectly qualified or capable of being a teacher. Subject: an application for a post of a teacher of English. Respected sir or madam. Because we don't know who is going to read the application, it can be either sir or madam. So I, Riddhi Jain, am currently pursuing my MA with English Literature from the Department of English and CLS Saurashtra University. I have completed my schooling from SNK and my BA with English from Christ College, Rajkot. So here in the qualifications of the advertisement, it was written that either the person should have a BA, MCom, MA or PTC. So she has completed even her schooling and her Bachelor of Arts with English subject, and she is pursuing her MA. It means she is doing her MA. I would like to apply for the post of teacher of English in Tapasvi School, Rajkot. Herewith I have attached my resume along with the copies of mark sheet and other necessary documents. I am a fresher, but if given a chance to work with the institution, I assure to work with utmost dedication. So here she feels that she is capable for being a teacher of the English subject in Tapasvi School. So she is writing her resume too, and mark sheets, the copies of mark sheets she is attaching, and she is a fresher, because in the advertisement it was written that even a fresher trainee can also apply. So she is also saying that she is a fresher, but if given a chance, then she would work with utmost dedication. Even in the advertisement, it was written that persons should be dedicated, passionate, and commitment towards their work. And the full fluency of the English language should be good. So after reading this or after seeing this application, we can say that the person would be having a proper knowledge of English language, and the person would also have the fluency with the speaking of English. So there won't come any of the problems of becoming a teacher. Thank you in anticipation. Yours sincerely, Riddhi Jain. Enclosure resume. Enclosure means she is attaching the resume, that the mark sheets of other copies or the important documents. So here is one example. Then the other advertisement which we can see that English teacher required. So the job description has been given. English medium school requires a male English teacher for its boys campus. In the before advertisement, it was not mentioned as female or male. Both the genders can apply. But here it is specifically written the male English teachers. So only the male people can apply. The job specification are: the ideal candidate should be a professional English school teacher with at least 3 years of experience. So here they are asking of the experience of at least 3 years. If there are more, then no issues with that. Have excellent English language skills means the speaking or the writing skills should be very good with the English language. Be willingly to be trained and work as a team member. So the person should be willingly, the person should have the passion or the commitment towards their work and should also cooperate with the other team's members. Then salary in line with the qualification, experience and performance as the interview or demonstration. So here the salaries specification is also given that it depends on the experience or the qualification and even on the performance. In the before advertisement it was not given anything and the person was also fresher. So they will also see the work of the person, and if they feel that the person is qualified then they will give the as per required salary. So here we have the other example of application of the other person. Here also you can see that everything is in the left align. Here it starts with the respected sir or madam. This letter is regarding the vacancy for the position of English teacher at your institution as seen in the newspaper. So here the person has also mentioned that she has or he has seen the advertisement into the newspaper. I have graduated from ABC institution and completed my degree in English literature. I have been teaching for the past 3 years at various schools and colleges. With this experience, I am completely confident that I have what it takes to fill in the role of the said position. Because if the person is having the experience, then they will always have the knowledge and skills of teaching. And especially the person have completed the degree of the English literature. So the person is very well versed with the English language too. And the person is also very confident that that he will suffice the role of being a teacher into the specific school. I have enclosed my resume for your further review and verification. If you have any additional question or clarification, please feel free to contact me on the given number. Looking forward to hear from you. So here the person is already confident that he or she will get the job or he can suffice the role of being a teacher in that school. So here the person is also enclosing the resume, means the Xerox copy or the original copy of the mark sheets, and the person is also giving its number, that on this number you can call and you are free to call me and I will come with the all the documents. Then good day, regards, enclosure and resume. Here is also the another application letter. So here it is also for the application for the post of English teacher, the Anjali Apartments. So here the person who is living and to the principal St. Laureate School. It is in Kolkata. Dear sir. So here the person might be aware that the sir is only going to read the specific application. This is regarding to the job advertisement published in the Hindustan Times dated on 22 June 2020 for the vacancy of an English teacher. I would like to apply for the post. So this person might have seen the advertisement on 20 or 21, then only the person might have started writing the application for the following post. I have 10 years of teaching experience in the English subject in class 9th and 10th. Also I am teaching in St. Xavier's School from last 5 years. So here we can see that the person is having a very good experience in the teaching field and especially with the English language, and teaching the higher secondary classes like 9th and 10th. It is not an easy task because you have to maintain the decorum of the class and you have to explain each things with the English language. And the person is also teaching with the St. Xavier's School from last 5 years. Since teaching is always my passion, I built a strong bonding relationship with the students to motivate them. I believe that my qualification and experience match your requirements. So the passion which the school requires in the particular teacher, so this person is having that, and the commitment is also there, and she also built a strong bonding relationship with the students. So this is very one of the important characteristics of being a teacher, that you should have a strong bond, so the kid can always ask you the doubts if they are having, so they don't feel shy or hesitate before asking you a doubt. I have attached my resume of your kind perusal. If you find my application suitable for your requirement, please feel free to contact me at the above contact details. So this person have already written their number on the top, like in your address area. So the person is also saying that the applicant must call him at any time. So thank you for your time and consideration. So this line is very important thing. Thank you for your time and consideration, because if the applicant is reading, then it it brings a very good impact upon them, because you are thanking him. The other person is reading your application. So if the application is very neat and tidy, then only the applicant would like to read it, and they can spend their time in reading. But if you are writing in a haphazard way, or if the handwritten writings are not good, then the person won't read it. Yours sincerely, Rishabh Banerjee, Assistant English Teacher. Enclosure, resume, Rishabh Banerjee. So here the person have also enclosed it with a resume. So what is resume now? It is a document created and used by a person to present their background, skills and accomplishments. So it is generally a one-page document in which their skills and accomplishments are seen. It contains a relevant job experience and education. It always have education and the job experience where you have worked, or if you have worked, then why you are leaving the job and how much salary you are expecting. Generally people get confused with the biodata and resume. If you're writing it for the post of or the job purpose, then it includes always resume. Biodata is for the matrimonial sites or for the marriage purpose, in which they include the age of the person, even the color of the eyes, hairs. These small details are been included, but here in resume it does not include so much details, only the phone number of the person or date of birth. So here we have a format of a resume which includes name, address means address of the person, telephone number, email address, date of birth. Because if you are writing date of birth, from that also the person will get to know that if you are aged or not, or you are young or not. Educational profile means how much you have educated yourself into the following years. Then special achievements, if you have any, like if you are going in any of the universities to take a part in any of the activities, then those can also be included into the special achievements. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities, there is a little difference in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. In your school days, if you are having extracurricular activities, it is performed by the students which fall outside the realm of normal curriculum of schools. Like it does not includes in the syllabus, it is outside the syllabus. And in co-curricular activities, it can be included into the syllabus. If you are being a president of the cultural club, or the any of the natural club or NCC, this then it includes in the co-curricular activity. That thing also you can write in the resume if you have achieved any of the certificates in on those curricular activities. Areas of interest, if you have any interest in any of the areas, if you like sketching or drawing or river crafting, or if you are good with the uh, painting skills, then also you can mention it, because these small details are always helpful with the school members, so they can take your help in any of the activities if they need it. Skills and hobbies, there is a little difference between skills and hobbies. Skills are those which you develop, and hobbies are your free time activities. Like if you have a hobby to dance but it is not your skill, then it if you are learning swimming, then that is your skill because you have to learn that. Or if you are learning something, some classical dance, then it is your skill, it is not your hobby, because you are learning it. Even you can include the nationality, you are Indian or NRI, and even the language known, because generally in India only the mother tongue is known, or Gujarati or Hindi. So it is good to mention with the language known. So here one thing is important in the educational profile, wherein you can include the things which you have done the latest. Like if you have done MA, then that will come on the first line. And then before MA you might have done your graduation with BA or BSc, then that will come the second. So it will go like SSC will be your last, like your 10th, then HSC will come your 12th, and then if you have done your graduation with BA or BSc or whatever field, then it will come your master's degree. So it will always go from lower to higher degree. So here is the example of a resume of a particular person, Geeta Mishra. The address has been mentioned, date of birth is also mentioned, and the telephone number and email ID is also mentioned. Then value profile, it can take initiative, work under pressure, and balance multitask assignments. So she can take the initiative to work. Then she can also work in the under pressure and balance the assignments. Like if the many things are being kept on her, then she will manage everything. She can be a good member, especially in institutions where tough and high stress goals have to be achieved. So if so here the example is been given mountain climbing, because it is very one of the tough tasks and you need a teamwork. If any mistakes are being done, then it can risk any of the life. So that thing is also important, means she's very good in the teamwork. If the school is organizing any of the function, then she can be kept as the leader, so that will also help to the school members, and have the tendency to patiently work through the area for achieving result. For example, practicing music, because if you are learning a music, you need to have a patience. So the person is also passionate, and even the person is having a patience to work in any of the tough areas. So here the educational profile, as I said, that ICSE board she might have done. So then her 12th, and then her IE with psychology, history, geography with the Laureate Girls School UP board, Lucknow, and then her BA with English. So it can be said as 10th, 12th and her BA. Then distinction and achievement, she is the best all-rounder of the year. So it shows that she is highly intelligent for the post, and she have also got the scholarship of the good academic performance. It means that she is very good with the academic field. And then her co-curricular and extra activities include the computer graphics, JetKing software. It means she is also very good with the computer skills, and if you make her sit on the computer, then she will also suffice her role, and she would deal with all the problems. And she is also good with the graphics, and even she knows the JetKing software. Then 2 months off on the job training, and she has also worked with the training of the job in any of the agencies. So she's also very comfortable to do the job with the strangers, because we don't know if you are set to do the job in any of the other field or in any of the agency. Firstly, we get very confused, or we feel shy to ask any of the things to the other person, but she has done this, so she would be very well versed how to deal with the strangers, or how to make others a good friend. She has done a project on CAD as a part of curriculum of JetKing. So it is a software in which she has also done a project. Areas of interest, her interest of work is in the project management and coordination. Means she like to coordinate the things, and everything should be in the chronological order. And she has also done the good work with the project management skills. Her skills and hobby are formal training in Carnatic music. Have trained since the age of 6. I devote 4 hours of per week to this. It means she is very well interested in the music skills and tracking. It includes her regular weekend treks to small and big peaks in the Vindhyas. It means it would be her hobby, because trekking it is her hobby, and it includes every weekend. Means every weekend she goes for a small trek. Watching plays, enjoy varied performance on dance drama styles of theatre. Means she's also keeping a small interest in the theatre side, on which the person performs on the stage and delivers what are their feelings or emotions to the people. And traveling, so it means you can see, after looking at her resume, she is interested in each and every field. So it will be also beneficial for the particular school if they are hiring her as a teacher. So if they are keeping a picnic on the trekking, then she would be very helpful. Even they are keeping a function, then she would be very helpful because she is having a strong team coordination. And then if you are keeping a music class, then also she will be very helpful for the students, even in the computer things. So it is said as a perfect resume. So I hope that you might have understood the concept of application for the post of English teacher, which includes a resume and not a biodata. Thank you.